This night we are going to kill them and everyone who tries to stop us from achieving what we came for.
Yes, sir!
Dad doesn't want to teach me. Let me practice by myself.
I'm so happy I shopped today successful.
Where did you go to? Where do we hide the box?
Perhaps under the floorboards or behind the old tapestry.
I have this feeling that my wicked brother will come for it. They are here. Go to the kids' right and hide them in the closet.
Come back.